the domain and range of the given function. Okay, so our objective is to find the domain and range. Okay, given the ordered pair, given the mapping, given the table, and graph. Okay, so let us recall the meaning of domain. Again, when we say domain, it is the set of all acceptable inputs. Generally, domain is the set of the x values or what we call the abscissa or yung x natin. Kapag may ordered pair tayo, lahat ng number, letter, or word sa unahan, yun yung tinatawag natin na domain. And then, pag naman sinabi natin range, the set of all resulting output or yung effect or yung bunga. Okay, generally, range is the set of all y values or what we call the ordinate of the ordered pairs of the given function. Okay, first is identify the domain and range given an ordered pair. So, based on the given, how many ordered pairs do we have? Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So, in the first ordered pair, what is the first number?
0.
Okay, how about the second ordered pair? 2. And the third? 4. Okay, and again, what do you call the set of orders ordinate? Very good. That is the domain. So, therefore, our domain is negative 3, negative 2, 0, 1, and 2. Ma'am, bakit ganyan? Sinulat lang from this to greatest. Pero pwede rin pong unahin muna si 0. Ang mahalaga, walang madagdag, walang mabawasan. Do you understand? Okay, and then yung mga natira, anong tawag natin doon? Very good. When we say range, the set of all second ordinate. And that is? Okay, negative 3, 5, negative 1, 15, and negative. May naulit po ba? Anong number? Okay, do you think, do we need to write twice pa? No. So kapag may naulit, write it as 1. Therefore, the range are negative 3, negative 1, 5, and 15. Question. Okay, what if the given is table of values? Mas madali yan. When we say domain, lahat ng nakanino. Okay, pag sinabi natin range, lahat ng nakay. Based on the given, what do you think is the domain?
Negative 1, 0.
Very good. Lahat ng number sa taas. That is the domain. We have negative 1, 0, 1, and 2. And what is the range?
Negative 3, 0, 3, 6.
Okay, lahat naman ang nasa baba. Okay, third one is using a mapping naman tayo. So, how to identify the domain given a mapping or what we call the arrow diagram? Ano ang tatandaan natin dyan? Ang domain natin, lahat ng nasa left. Very good. Ito lang yon. Then yung range, lahat ng nasa. Mas madali po ito kasi sineperate na nga. Tama ba? So, sineperate na ang ating domain at ang ating range. Based on the given, what are the domains?
0.
Very good. We have 0 and 4. Susulat mo lang siya sa braces or bracket. Kasi sets po yung pinag-uusapan natin, ha? Then, what are the range?
2,
Okay, we have 2 and negative 8. So, any question? Okay, now, what if the given is a graph? So, but, ang given lang natin ay dot lang. We're going to do how to find the domain and how to find the range. So, what we're going to do is we need to first, determine the ordered pair or the domain and the range of the given set of points plot in the Cartesian plane. So, do the following daw. Step 1, enumerate the set of ordered pairs. Or sa Tagalog, kunin daw natin class yung exact location ng bawat point. Okay, start tayo sa ating left. Okay, ito yung ating left. So, first, identify the ordered pair. Okay, sa pagsulat ng ordered pair, lagi muna natin titignan si X. Followed by Y. Kasi nga po, X, Y. So, meaning kay X-axis muna tayo titingin. Okay, I think first ordered pair natin. Nakatapat kayo nyo. Okay, meaning negative 4 ang ating X. Then, saan nakatapat ang ating Y? Okay, meaning the first point is located at negative 4, positive 3. Do you understand? Okay, give me the ordered pair of the second point. Yes, Prado. Okay, very good. Negative 2, positive 2. The third one. Yes, Salazar. Very good. 0, 1. O yung pang-apat. Yes, Buriel. 2, 0 at ang pang 5, Sabilio. 4, tama. Negative 1. So after getting the ordered pairs, what we're going to do now? Ma-identify na natin yung domain and range. O dito sa first ordered pair, ano yung number na given? First number, negative 4 followed by negative 2 followed by 0, 2, and meaning the domains are negative 4, negative 2, 0, 2, and yung mga natira, anong tawag doon? Okay, those are 3, 2, 1, 0, and negative 1. So any question? Do you understand? Okay.